Hello guys, welcome to yet another class. If you are joining us for the first time, you are very welcome, and if you've been here before, you are also welcome. Please do subscribe, like and share this video to support us. Today, as you can see on the screen, I am going to show you step by step how I made this beautiful cornrow updo with just my crochet pin. Sit back, relax and enjoy the class. Basically, what we do here is to mark the wig cap with a chalk, mark the direction of how you want your cornrow to look like, or the direction you want your cornrow to go. You mark with a chalk, then you now use your crochet pin to crochet your hair, your braiding hair on it and cornrow. With this method, you can actually design any kind of style on the wig cap. Like I said earlier, that you can actually design any kind of hair using this chalk method. As you can see on the screen, I am following the chalk line. and you see how it's coming out. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.